Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Good morning, everyone. This is going to be an awesome deal that anyone can do. Let me go ahead and show you what's going on here at Office Depot Office Max. Anyone could do this deal. You could get free shipping to home. You could go in store and pick it up. You could go in store and shop this deal. But the best bang for your buck is to do it online through Rakuten. I'll leave you the link in the description box and in the first comment for Rakuten. If you have never signed up for Rakuten, you are going to be able to get $30 cash back on your first purchase of $30 and a penny or more. So make sure you sign up through my link. If you haven't done so and you need to shop within the first 7 days, $30 and a penny. So you could go and do this deal and you'll get back $30 in cash. You'll be getting that big fat check, just like they like to call it, at Rakuten within I believe it's 2 cycles or 2 months. It could be sooner. I believe you could also get it through PayPal. That's how I get my payments on PayPal. So let me go ahead and go over this deal. This is super simple, very easy couponing deal anyone could do. No coupons needed. You don't need anything at all except your Office Depot Office Max rewards card. It's simple to sign up for it, and you don't need but 4 different things. You need your name, your address, your email, and your phone number in order for you to sign up for an Office Depot Office Max rewards card. If you haven't done so, sign up for that. That's very easy. You're going to be getting your free batteries. Let me go over the battery deal, and then we'll go over the hot deals of the week. The hot deals of the week are going to be available through the 27th, so we have an entire week to do these deals. Office Depot Office Max rewards, we're getting 100% back on the batteries. Let me show you the batteries, how much they're going to cost you. And 100% back means they're going to be crediting you within 6 hours. It usually takes about 6 hours. I would say 24 hours just to be on the safe side. For purchasing your batteries, you're going to be getting back the full amount that you paid. So let's say, for example, this one here, you're paying $25.69. You'll be getting $25.69 back. Let me go ahead and run a quick scenario for you. I don't know if my calculator shows up. It probably won't show up on your screen, but or maybe it will. No, let me get it off of the screen. I'll do it on my phone. $25.69. So if you pick up a AA or a AAA, the limit here is 2 per household. So you can pick up 2 of them. If you pick up the $25.69 totals or the $25.69 packages, for 2 of them, you'll be getting back $51.38. You'll pay $51.38, but you'll get back $51.38. Remember, if you buy them through Rakuten and it's your first time buying or first time setting up Rakuten, make sure you sign up through my link in order for you to get that additional $30 back. I'll leave you the link in the description box and in the first comment. Within the first 7 days, people, do not wait. And don't think just because you click the link, you're going to get $30. You need to shop. You need to buy something. So this will be $51.38. Let's say you get your $30 back from Rakuten. You'll really be paying $21.38. But you'll get $51.38 in rewards, making this completely free plus a $30 moneymaker. If you get that way. If you get the $35.79 batteries, $35.70 and was it 99 cents? Yeah. $35.99 by 2, that'll be $71.98. That way you have more cash money or more rewards in order for you to spend on your Dawn deal and the Tide deal, which I'll talk about in a minute. So that'll be $71.98. 71.98. We're getting back $30 from Rakuten if we're brand new. Signing up through my link. So it'll be $41.98. And you'll get back $71.98, making that completely free for the batteries and a $30 moneymaker, of course, through Rakuten. Even if you already have Rakuten, you'll still get a percentage back. So shop through Rakuten online and get your deal. So buy the batteries first and get your rewards. Then we're going to come back the following day and do this purchase. Let me go ahead and open up the Tide deal. Okay, and then I'll give you another scenario or another example in a minute. So the Tide Simply Clean Fresh liquid laundry detergent, Refreshing Breeze, 128 ounce, is $14.99. This week, which expires 8/27, it will be $8 even. So you'll be paying $8 for this one here. I'll show you the UPC code, but I know a lot of people want to see the UPC code, but it's basically the yellow bottle. Let me see. The yellow bottle that you see here, it's 128 ounce. Here's the UPC code in case you need it. It's this yellow bottle. You can't miss it. I mean, it's the only yellow bottle, Tide Simply. $8 this week. Make sure you're adding the max. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be adding the max limit. The limit for this week will be 4 per household per Office Depot Rewards member or Office Max Rewards member. So make sure you add the limit. Stock up, stock up, stock up. I cannot repeat that enough. Prices keep going up, and these are awesome deals. Cheaper than Walmart, cheaper than Target. Get them now before prices go up. This is only available through August 27th, and you can select shipping to home, same-day delivery, or free in-store pickup or curbside pickup. You don't even have to leave your house to get this deal. You could get it delivered completely free to your house. Like I said, use the battery deal to get in on this one. Or the second option is if you have a rewards app or a cashback app. Let's say you have Ibotta. Let's say you have Fetch Rewards. One of these apps that gives you rewards. If you have the ability to get gift cards, look for an Office Depot Office Max gift card. They are available there. Cash out on one of those gift cards and use it here to pay for your purchase. That way you're not paying much out of pocket and you'll still get the free shipping. You don't even have to leave your house. That's what's so convenient about this deal. I love it this week because it's so easy to do. I don't even have to leave my house. I could be sleeping here. You don't even know if I'm laying down in my bed right now, laying down, going back to bed. But I could be sleeping here and my deal is on. I already got my easy couponing deal out of the way, getting my laundry detergent and my liquid soap or dishwashing detergent, liquid, not detergent. I always say detergent for some reason. I don't know why. That's in the back of my mind, but I always say dishwashing liquid detergent, but it's dishwashing liquid. This one here, the Dawn 75 ounce bottle is $18.79 regular price. This week until the 27th or until supplies last, because I know this deal is not going to last. These will sell out very quick. It is going for $7 cheaper than Walmart, cheaper than Target. Again, I cannot repeat that enough. Order online, free shipping to home, max out. Even if you think it's a lot to pay right now, yes, it will be a lot to pay up front. But in the end, prices are going up everywhere. You'll be saving a lot of money by maxing out on the limits. The limit here is 7 per household. So the limit here is 6 per household. I'll be getting 6 at $7. That'll be $42 total. Like I said, you're going to think it's a lot of money. It will be a lot of money up front. But in the long run, you'll have 4 Tide detergents. Let me go to my cart so I can show you. It'll be $74 total. If you get the higher price batteries, it'll be the better bang for your buck. Shop through my link, Rakuten, in the description box or in the first comment. Make sure you shop. Don't just click the link and think you're going to get $30 magically appearing in your account. You need to make your purchase within the first 7 days. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on this deal. Okay. So here it does show me that I'm getting completely free delivery because I'm maxing out on 6 Dawn detergents, dishwashing liquids, again, not detergents, and I'm maxing out on 4 Tide Simply Clean 128 ounce. This one is laundry detergent, so that one is laundry detergent. $74. I'm going to be using a gift card. In my case, since I already have Rakuten, I shop through Rakuten. I'll be getting cash back on this purchase. I believe it's 4%. Excuse me, 4%. But if you're brand new to it, you'll get $30 back. In this case, I'll be getting 4%. If we already have Rakuten, shop through Rakuten, shop through your link. so you're able to get more money back in your pocket. So $74 here. You could use the money from the batteries to pay, or use a gift card from Fetch Rewards like I'm going to be doing. I'm going to cash out on a gift card to pay for this purchase. And best of all, I don't even have to leave my house. Like I said, I'm getting free delivery. Can we say free delivery? Yes. I love it. I love it when we get free delivery and I don't even have to leave my house. Not that I'm lazy, but girl, you already know I'm not trying to leave my house and carry 4 jugs of Tide and 6 jugs of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Okay. So go get your deal, max out, get the limit, and don't miss out on this. Don't say I didn't tell you all. Make sure you run and get this deal. At these prices, these will sell out. So this is the time to get your deal, and this is the time to stock up on these products. Thank you for so much love. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video so we can help your friends and family save their money. And welcome to Easy Couponing, where I make it easy for you to coupon. Thank you all so much for subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.